The first instruction the new bowler will be given by the skip is take your green and draw. The draw shot is the first basic shot to master, but can be the most frustrating. This is the skill of being able to rest a bowl at any given point on the mat. The word green features often, as this is the path that the bowl needs to take to get to that point. The bowling line or banana line is that path. Depending on what part of the bunch the banana is on determines its shape. So does each individual mat with its underlying floor. The draw shot requires the least amount of weight or force to propel the bowl up the mat. Weight is crucial in determining where the bowl will finish. The most effective way to learn the application of weight is to practice. As more bowls appear on the head, the bowler may be asked to hit or push another bowl out of the head. This is a little faster than a draw shot. Whatever the purpose, the bowler delivering the bowl has two critical decisions to make: the speed at which to deliver the bowl, being the weight, and the direction in which to bowl, being the bowling line. The speed at which a bowl has to be released is dependent on the texture of the mat, the material of which the floor is made, the general slope of the floor, and the type of shot to be played. For a given type of shot, a thick mat requires more weight than a thin mat. The thick mat is said to be slow. A mat laid on a concrete floor is faster than one laid on wood. A floor with a general slope along the length of the mat produces a fast mat in one direction when the bowls run downhill and a slow mat in the reverse direction. More weight still is required to shift a number of bowls. This is referred to as a drive and will usually scatter bowls around the playing area. The harder a bowl is bowled, the narrower the bowl line angle becomes in relation to the target. It's good etiquette to alert players on adjoining mats that a drive is about to commence, as the result can often disturb bowls on those mats if not caught. Positioning the bowling line is simply a matter of mentally drawing on the mat the shape of the path of the bowl back to the bowling area from where it is required to come to rest. Often it's necessary to hit a bowl in the head or the jack with a carefully controlled force called a light impact shot. The object may be to shift a bowl and take its place in the head, or to kick the jack to a more favourable position. This shot should be played as a draw shot to a point on the mat beyond the object, be it bowl or jack, that it's aimed to strike. The force of impact is best described in terms such as a metre on. This means that if the object bowl was removed from the mat, the played bowl would travel 1 metre beyond the position where the object was before it came to rest. The run shot is simply a shot played fast enough to remove a bowl or bowls off the mat. Many of the shots used in indoor bowls involve the collision of one or more bowls. To understand what happens when bowls collide is the basis behind the game of snooker or pool, where one ball, when hitting another, will project that ball on a different angle. Bowlers, when attempting these shots, will often study the head to visualise the angles at which the bowls will collide. Sliding the delivered bowl off another on the mat, or wick shot as it's commonly known, is another shot to master.